yan talaga yung implication ng Supreme Court decision eh. Kasi yung sinunod po ng Kongreso na impeachment standard, very simple ho yung Gutierrez, very simple po yung Francisco versus House of Representatives. There is a verified complaint, and the second requirement is there is a referral to the House Committee on Justice for action. Yun yung precise wording po ng Francisco at saka ng Gutierrez. So two things should happen. Positive actions. Pero ang ginawa po ng decision po na ito, pagka inupuan mo, pagka wala kang ginawa, pag meron kang ginawa pero hindi mo kinilusan, considered na magkakaroon na ng kicking in yung pong 1-year ban. So ibig sabihin, whether meron kang ginawang positive action on the second point or inaction, talaga may 1-year ban. So, ang implication po nun, magka-file na lang ako, maghahanap ako ng kaibigan kong congressman.
Yeah.
Pre, filean mo naman ako kasi baka may mag-file ng mas malakas na complaint laban sa akin. Hindi ba? O di, ano na yun, magkikikin na agad po yung 1-year ban. So, ibig sabihin, basically, it's a protection already. Doon po sa mga highest officials of the land na impeachable.
So, if that's the case, Kong, ano yung nakikita mo na pwedeng remedyo rito?
Hindi, talaga kung i-reconsider ng Supreme Court ang kanya pong posisyon. You know, there's no going around it actually. Kasi I'm quite certain the House will raise it. Kasi I think there are factual inaccuracies in the decision itself. Napapanindigan po talaga ng House when they submit the motion for reconsideration. Siyempre, sasabihin ng iba, sabi hindi naman yan totoo, Kong, kasi parang they mentioned about sham complaints in the decision. Pero alam po ninyo, what they actually did not mention is the exact situation that I'm describing. Hindi ba? Ang example lang nila ng sham complaint in that decision, hindi, wala namang sham complaint kasi una, ano naman daw, it needs to be endorsed naman daw by a congressman. Hindi yan sham complaint kasi kailangan naman maging verified po yung petition. Hindi ko nila binanggit this exact circumstance that I'm talking about.
Yeah.
So, gusto ko malaman sa kanila, why did you actually leave it out? Hindi ba? Ito nga yung exact, kasi they were mentioning something about history in the end part of the decision. Parang that they know of history because of the parang yung political fighting that we are, parang ayaw daw nilang kalimutan po yun. Hindi ba? Kaya ho sila, they're putting their foot down today. But we have to be very clear. At binanggit mo na to, Jovi. Di ba?
Yeah.
When they mentioned history, why did they actually leave out that part of history where we saw people who were actually filing the complaint every year?
Yes.
Di ba? For people to avoid high accountability.
Yes.
Hindi ba? If they were actually serious about going back to history and correcting something. Hindi po ba?